This is our torque wrench and pulley with weight. You can see we've got a wheel here with a handle. The rope is threaded over that pulley and down to this weight down here, which is sitting on a force platform, so we can check. And the weight there is 13 pounds or about 58 newtons. So to figure out the torque from this hanging weight, we've got the weight already. We need to know the radius that that torque is applied at. So if I line up this ruler from the middle of the pulley to about where the rope is, it looks like it's just under 200 millimeters. If I'm looking at the center of the rope, I'd say it's maybe 197, or if you're doing it in English units for some reason, maybe 7 and 27 30-seconds. So now what we can do is lift with this digital torque wrench. You can see it's got a socket on the end that can go on the center of the axle here. And if I lift with the torque wrench, it's giving me about 102 inch-pounds. Maybe 8.6 foot-pounds. Or in real units, 11.6 Newton meters.